In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Shadowplay not saving or recording clips. Now the first step you want to do is open up either your Geforce Experience or the updated version called Nvidia. Head over to settings on the Experience, I think it's up here, on the new version it's here, and make sure Nvidia overlay is turned off. After that, come down here and search for Reg Edit and open up this one. After you open up this one, what you want to do is find HKey current user, find software, find Nvidia Corporation, and if you have the NVSP caps under Nvidia Corporation, that's fine. If you cannot find it, you have to open up the global one, Shadowplay, and then open it from in here. After that, what you want to do is press anywhere and press D to find default path W. Now delete this folder by pressing delete. After that, what you want to do is press anywhere again and press T to find temp file path and delete this one as well. Now once you've deleted both of these, you can turn this off and then you can go back to Nvidia and then you can turn on the overlay again, and this time it will work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.